Hello, are you looking to boost sales by offering bulk discounts to your customers with the Quantity and Volume Discounts app by Market Push Apps? You can easily encourage larger purchases by offering tiered pricing based on quantity, effortlessly set up volume discounts, and display them on your product pages. Whether you want to apply discounts to specific products categories or your entire store, this app makes it simple and effective. This will not only increase average order value, but also improve customer satisfaction by providing great deals on bulk purchases. With just one click, your customers can add the products to their cart, making shopping easier and more rewarding. The app is available on Wix App Market. Please find the install link in the video description. Installing the app from Wix Studio is quick and easy. Simply navigate to the product page, click on an empty area and select the Plugins button. Then locate the Quantity and Volume Discounts and click Add. Before proceeding, let's click Save and Publish to update the site. Now let's create our bundles. We will need to open the app dashboard. Once the dashboard opens, navigate to the Discount Templates tab to begin creating your first template. First, click Create Template to get started. Here, you'll have the ability to set pricing rules, allowing you to create structured discounts that encourage visitors to buy more. Start by editing the title that appears at the top of the widget, making it clear and engaging. Let's also create 3 discount tiers with different percentages to incentivize our visitors to buy more. To make the offers stick out more, let us add badges with vibrant colors. You can also select the default tier that is chosen by default. Don't forget to save the template after your editing. Finally, you need to go to the Products tab and apply the template to your products. To see the widget in action, we can click here on Live Preview, which will take us to the product page on the live site with the widget enabled. Going back to Wix Studio, let's check the Overview tab where you can monitor the performance of the widget. As you can see, it correctly displays the number of products we just added to the cart after setting up the widget. Now let us close the dashboard to see the widget in the Wix Studio. Click here to refresh the widget. You can modify various elements of the widget in the Settings panel. You can also customize different elements of the widget, such as the Grab the Deal button color using the Inspection tool. Let us change it to a vibrant red. Let's change the font to bold as well. Lastly, don't forget to save and publish your site to apply the changes. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, or leave a comment. It helps immensely. And feel free to reach out if you need further assistance. Thank you for watching.